Built-in type string printf style string formatting. Note: the formatting operations described here exhibit a variety of quirks that lead to a number of common errors, such as failing to display tuples and dictionaries correctly. Using the newer formatting string literals, the str.format interface or template strings may help avoid these errors. Each of these alternatives provide their own trade-offs and benefits of simplicity, flexibility, and/or extensibility. String objects have one unique built-in operation, the modulo percent operator modulo. This is also known as the string formatting or interpolation operator. Given format percent values where format is a string, percent conversion specifications in format are replaced with 0 or more elements of values. The effect is similar to using the printf in C language. In if format requires a single argument, values may be a single non-tuple object. Otherwise, values must be a tuple with exactly the number of items specified by the format string or a single mapping object. For example, a dictionary. A conversion specifier contains two or more characters and has the following components, which must occur in this order: the percent character, which marks the start of the specifier. Mapping key, optional, consists of a parenthesized sequence of characters, for example, some name. Conversion flags, optional, which affect the result of some conversion types. Minimum field width, optional. If specified as an star asterisk, the actual width is read from the next element of the tuple in values, and the object to convert comes after the minimum field width and optional precision. Precision, optional, given as a dot followed by the precision. If specified as star asterisk and asterisk, the actual precision is read from the next element of the tuple in values, and the value to convert comes after the precision. Length modifier, optional. Conversion type, when the right argument is a dictionary or other mapping type, then the formats in the string must include a parenthesized mapping key into that dictionary inserted immediately after the percent character. The mapping key selects the value to be formatted from the mapping. For example, printf 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 percent languages has percent number 03d code types. Language will be replaced here. A percent language is equal to Python and number is equal to 2. Let me print. Python has 002 code types. In this case, no asterisk specifiers may occur in a format since they require a sequential parameter list. The conversion flags characters are: flag meaning hash. The value conversion will use the alternate form where defined below. 0. The conversion will be 0 padded for numeric values. Hyphen. The converted value is left justified. Override the 0 conversion if both are given. Space. A blank should be left before a positive number or empty string produced by a single signed conversion. Plus, a signed character plus or minus will precede the conversion, overrides a space flag. A length modifier. H, L or capital L may be present but is ignored as it is not necessary for Python. So, example, %LD is identical to %D. The conversion types are: D, signed integer decimal; I, signed integer decimal; O, signed octal value; U, absolute type, it is identical to D; X, signed hexadecimal lowercase; capital X, signed hexadecimal uppercase; E, floating point exponential format lowercase; capital E, floating point exponential format uppercase; F, floating point decimal format Capital F, floating point decimal format. G, floating point format uses lowercase exponential formats if exponent is less than -4 or not less than precision. Decimal format otherwise. Capital G, floating point format uses uppercase exponential format if exponent is less than -4 or not less than precision. Decimal format otherwise. C, single character accepts integer or single character string. R, string converts any Python object. REPR method. S, string converts any Python object using str. A, string converts any Python object using ASCII method. Percent, no argument is converted, results in a percent character in the result. Notes, the alternate form causes a leading octal specifier 0O to be inserted before the first digit. The alternate form causes a leading 0x or 0 capital X depending on whether the X or capital X format was used to be inserted before the first digit. The alternate forms causes the result to always contain a decimal point even if no digits follow it. The precision determines the number of digits after the decimal point and defaults to 6. The alternate form causes the result to always contain a decimal point and trailing zeros are not removed as they would otherwise be. The precision determines the number of significant digits before and after the decimal point and defaults to 6. If precision is n, the output is truncated to n characters. Since Python strings have an explicit length, %s conversions do not assume that \0 is the end of the string. Changed in version 3.1. Conversions for numbers whose absolute value is over 1E50 are no longer replaced by %d conversions. So printf example. Okay. So printf %d %I, comma 10. Print comma 10. Oh, this way 10. If I say point t point 2 10.2, point d, %f 10.5. Okay, now I need to pass the 10.555. So dot 2. Let's put it inside bracket. Printf like example in Python. So here %d %s should be like this. Percentage. This should be like this. Mhm. There is no need actually. We can use directly. Yeah. And if I want to limit this decimal points precision to 2 only, width of 2 only, so conversion, what was the format? Percent, nothing else, no. Conversion flags, minimum. Okay. So minimum field width is uh, 5.2. So this way it will print 10.50 only, or maybe let's put it 8, like this. uh, for string as, put it this way, apple, like this. And if I provide string length to 20, it will occupy like this. Thank you.